Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Here we had making made the central angle. How to find? There is language, number of students, language Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali. Number of students is 40, 12, 9, 7, 4. And in fraction 40 by 72, 12 by 72, 9 by 72, 7 by 72, 4 by 72. Here we have found the central angle 40 by 72 into 360, that is 200. How you get? You see, that is 40 by 72 into 360 degree, right? By 36, that is 10. 36 to 5 is 10, that you have to multiply it by 5. 5 4 is 20, that is 200, right? If you multiply by 5, 5 12 is 60, 5 9 is 45, 5 7 is 35, 5 4 is 20 degree, right? You made got all the central angle in this way, right? After that we will make a pie chart, right? Again you repeat pie chart. For that you have to take a circle, right? And here is the total number of students 72. Therefore in fractions 40 by 72, 12 by 72, 9 by 72, 7 by 72, 4 by 72. We found the central angle also. Now we will find the pie chart. For that, take a circle here. Let us take a circle. Here we have taken a circle, and if we increase the circle, right? Now change the color as white, as yellow, right? We will make this angle 200, 60 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree and 20 degree. First of all, we will take the radius and make an angle of 200 degree, right? Make the radius as 200 degree. Let us take the radius with the help of a ruler. This is our ruler. With the help of this ruler, make a straight line. Here we are making a straight line, that is the radius of the circle. With the help of protractor, we find angles 200 degree, or you can make this angle also, right? First of all, we make 60 degree. Let us with the help of protractor. This is our protractor, and with the help of protractor, we are making 60 degree first. Let us take 60 degree. By proper pressing the protractor, get the value of 60 degree, right? This is 20, 40, 60. This is 60 degree. Therefore, make an angle of 60 degree here. That is this one, right? And we are making an angle of 60 degree here, right? Let us, with the help of a scale, let us draw 60 degree. Here we are drawing 60 degree first and join this line to make 60 degree here. This is exactly 60 degree. Therefore, we are making a 60 degree at this point, right? This is 60 degree, and next angle is 45 degree. Next angle is 45 degree. Let us make 45 degree with the help of protractor. Again, let us take the protractor, and with the help of this protractor, make an angle of 45 degree. Let us make 45 degree. Move this protractor and place in proper way, so that we may make an angle of 45 degree. Proper way. This is 0, and we will take 45 degree. 20, 40. This is 45. This is 45, 20, this is 20, this is 40, this is 45, 40, this is 40, this is 45 degree, this is 45, right? This is 45. Now make an angle of 45 degree with the help of the ruler. The help of ruler, make an angle of 45 degree. This is the central angle. Make 45 degree here. This is exactly 45 degree. Right? This is 45 degree. Then we'll make 35 degree. 35 degree. Let us make 35 degree with the help of protector. With the help of protector, make 35 degree. With the help of protector, make 35 degree. 35 degree. That is, here you get, that is 20, 30, and this is 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is 35. Right? This is 35 degree. That is 10, 20, 30, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This one 35 degree. This is exactly 35 degree. With the help of a ruler, make an angle of 35 degree. Make an angle of 35 degree. This is 35 degree. This is 35 degree. This is exactly 35 degree. Right? We'll make 20 degree with the help of protector again. Let us take the protector here. Here we are taking the protector, and with the help of this protector, make an angle of 20 degree. Place the protector at the proper place, and make an angle of 20 degree. Make an angle of 20 degree. This is the proper place, and make an angle of 20 degree. This is 20 degree. Therefore, here it is 20 degree. 5, 10, 15, 20. This angle is 20 degree. Now, with the help of the ruler, make an angle of 20 degree. Make an angle of 20 degree. Yes, right? This is 20 degree. The left angle will be obviously 200 degree, because the sum of all the angles is 360 degree, right? Therefore, we got this as 60 degree. That is English. This is English. It is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. And this part is English. This part is English. This is English. is English. This is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. 45 degree. And this one is 45 degree means Marathi. M A R A T H I. This is Marathi. 45 degree. After that 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. This angle, central angle is 35 degree. This is 35 degree. 35 degree means it is Tamil. This one is Tamil. T-A-M-I-L, Tamil. And this one is 20 degree. This is 20 degree. The central angle is 20 degree. 20 degree. And this one is Bengali. This one is Bengali. This one is Bengali. Bengali. And Hindi is 200%, 200 degrees. This is Hindi. This one is Hindi. Hindi, that is 200 degree. Hindi is 200 degree. 200 degree. This is the pie chart. This is the pie chart. Right? Now you see, this is the central angle. We found the central angle in this way. The language is Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali. Now students is 40, 12, 9, 7 and 4. In fractions 40 by 72, 12 by 72, because total number of students is 72, 9 by 72, 7 by 72 and 4 by 72. Central angle we found 40 by 72 into 360, that is 200 degree. 12 by 72 into 360 degree, that is 60 degree. 9 by 72 into 360 degree, that is 45 degree. 7 by 72 into 360 degree is equal to 35 degree. And 4 by 72 into 360 20 degree. Here we have taken a circle, right? This is 60 degree we have taken with the help of protractor. This is 45 degree, the central angle. This is 35 degree Tamil. This is 20 degree Bengali. And this is Hindi. Obviously, it will be at 200 degree because the sum of all the angles is always 360 degree, right? This is the pie chart of this diagram of this data. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.